In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot account without needing a website. Whether you're running a small business, building a personal brand, or transitioning from another platform, HubSpot offers robust tools to streamline your operations. Now, let's dive into setting up that account smoothly. To kick things off, head over to HubSpot's official homepage. You can find it by simply typing HubSpot into your search engine. Once you're on their website, the first thing you'll see is a button labeled Get Started Free. It's front and center, aiming to make your registration process as intuitive as possible. Click on this button to commence creating your free account. It's as straightforward as promises go, providing you access without upfront costs. You'll then be directed to a sign up page. Here, you have a few options on how to proceed with signing up. You can choose to continue with your Google account, or if you're more comfortable, you can use your Microsoft or Apple accounts instead. HubSpot ensures compatibility with major platforms, offering you flexibility. Choose the method that aligns best with your existing digital habits. This integration saves you time while keeping all your data within your chosen ecosystem. Once you settle on an option, it's critical to verify your email to unlock your new account. Checking your inbox and clicking on the verification link is the only step standing between you and your access to HubSpot's features. This process not only secures your account but also allows you to dive straight into exploring HubSpot's offerings. After successfully verifying your email, HubSpot will guide you to their trial guide. Here, you'll get a tour of HubSpot's Operations Hub Professional. This guide is designed to familiarize you with the platform's extensive range of features, demonstrating how these tools can optimize your business operations. Even if you're starting without a website, you'll find the platform's flexibility appealing for tracking customer interactions and managing communications effectively. And there you have it, an efficient pathway to setting up your HubSpot account without the necessity of having a company website. Use these tools to harness the power of customer relationship management, tailor your email campaigns, and streamline your productivity, all from one comprehensive platform. Remember, starting with a solid CRM tool like HubSpot is pivotal in laying a strong foundation for customer interaction and business management. Whether you're a startup or just starting over, HubSpot provides the scalability to grow alongside your venture. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides on maximizing your online presence. See you in the next video.